Okay. You guys can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So ratio and proportion. Oh, this is completely new thing.
Yes.
Yes, we did not study. So I will not write it revision. It's like maths class. Yes, it's not revision. Okay, and the chapter that we are going is 16.
Yes.
Six
Mr.
questions.
The Mr. in our class says for the word ratio, ratio.
Rezzo.
Yeah.
Za with the za sound.
No, S.
S. Rezzo.
Yes.
Rezzo?
I
I
don't know
have
that.
never heard this type of pronunciation. Okay, chapter 16 is ratio and proportion. Okay, let me bring the screenshot of first exercise. Okay, then you have second exercise. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Faiz.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, Mr. Adam. Adam, the
Professor.
Adam, the traveler. Let me write in the group also that we have started.
I will send the link in all groups.
All groups? What all groups? ادخل بسرعة تامة. ادخل بسرعة. And running emoji. Where is the running emoji? RUN. Yes. Okay. Yes, let me bring the other screenshots quickly and we can start the first exercise instantly. Okay.
Mr. Today we ate an Indian food.
Wow.
We ate biryani.
Wow, 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 wow. Which biryani?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Today I eat the Maaz, the goat biryani.
You ate Messi?
Nice one, nice one. Good job, good job. Okay, so now we are starting. We have how many? كم أولاد؟ كم نفر؟
4
أربع نفر صديق. أربع نفر.
كثير.
Yes, أربع.
4.
Okay, 4 is good. Minimum I need is 3. So you have more than one. One more than minimum. So it's
5 boys.
Hi, sir.
Who is the 5th? Ah, okay. You came at the right time. I'm just about to start and you arrived. Wow. So let's start. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we have chapter number 16, ratio and proportion. Okay. So basically, oh, where is my board connected? Ah, it's not connected. Now it is connected. Yes. So basically ratio is what? Like you are making tea. So for 4 guys, okay, you are making tea for 4 guys or 4 people.
Okay.
What will you do? You will not put 4 cup of milk. Yes. If I'm making, I'm bakhil. Okay. I will not put 4 cup of milk. What I will do? I will put 3 cup of milk and 1 cup of
4 people.
Water.
Yes. I'll put 1 cup of water. I'll mix everything in a big pot and put it on fire on stove. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
I will do this. Okay. So what is the ratio of milk to water in my pot? The ratio is 3 to 1.
3, 2, 4.
3
No,
to 1.
3 to 1. 3 to 1. How many milk did I put? 3 cups. How many cups of water did I put? 1 cup. So it will
One.
be 3 to 1. It is written as this. Okay. 3 to 4 will be what? 3 to 4 will be for milk with
Guys.
total. No, total composition of this milk, of this pot, this tea, yani. This is overall tea, right? So if I
Okay.
ask you milk to total tea, then you will say 3 out of 4 in that case. Okay. So this is what ratio is all about. And what is proportion? Proportion goes like, if milk,
Professional calendar.
if milk to water is 3 to 1, what will happen if I put 30 milk, 30 cups of milk? How many cups of water should I put?
10.
10.
Alas, this is proportion. Okay. So I will tell you one by one in detail. But I just told you the summary of the whole chapter now. Okay. This much was ratio when you are dealing with only one ratio, like this ratio or this ratio. But when you are using one ratio to calculate a bigger ratio or a smaller ratio, that is known as proportion.
Portion.
Clear?
Clear.
Proportion. Okay. So let's start the exercises. And if you still don't have, quickly go and bring the notebooks and pen or pencil, because you have to solve few questions now. Okay.
Okay.
Is everyone having the notebook with you? So I can
Yes.
start, or you are going to bring?
Yeah, Mr. We have.
Everyone, Adam, Adnan, Badr, you have? Amir, you have?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I have, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, first one is not dealing with any ratio. It's just conversion, and conversion of big unit to small unit or small to big. So just for a revision, I will tell you, when big unit is converted to small unit, what do? Multiply or
Divide.
divide?
Divide.
What?
No, multiply. Okay.
You forgot, I think. Big to small is multiplication and small to big is division.
Division.
Okay. So 0.31 kilometer contains how many meter, Badr? Only?
Yes, Mister.
When you convert 0.31 kilometers into meters, can you tell me we are going big to small or small to big? What do you think?
From small to big.
Kilometer, you have 1 kilometer away, you are 1 kilometer away from school, and you are 1 meter away from
From
school.
big to small.
Which one is bigger, kilometer or meter?
Kilometer.
Okay. So kilometer to
Assalamualaikum,
meter,
Mister.
we are going to do multiply. Okay. So, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you,
Okay.
Mister?
Yes, alhamdulillah, I'm doing good. So, Badr, tell me, 0.31 kilometer to meter, we will multiply by how much? 10 or 100 or 1000? 1 kilometer contains how many meters, Badr? 1 kilometer contains how many meters?
Multiply 100.
No,
Uh-uh.
no.
Mister,
1000.
can I? Yeah.
Because 1
1000.
kilometer contains 1000. So when you multiply this by 1000, Badr, tell me, what are you going to get?
31 multiply 1000 equal 31 0 0 0.
How many zeros after 31?
3.
No.
No.
How?
Mister,
Look,
can I?
0.31 you have. We have to go right 3 steps.
Two.
So 1, 2, and 3. So you just have only single zero. Only here.
1.
Because you don't see the decimal here. There is a decimal here. Look, there is a decimal.
Decimal.
What you are doing, you did not see the decimal. You just put 3 0, 1, 2, 3. And then you are giving me this answer. No,
Yes.
we have to start from the decimal, not from the end. Yes, everyone? Do you remember?
Yes.
We have to start the
Yes,
jumping this process from
1
the decimal.
kilometer equal 1,000 meter.
Yes, 1 kilometer already we know 1,000. So the final answer will be 310 meter. Is it clear to everyone? How are we
Yes.
getting
Yeah.
310?
Close.
Yeah,
Close.
Okay, we have studied it multiple times. So these comparisons I'm not going to do because this is old stuff and it will take a lot of time from us. And we have done it so many times previously. So
Easy.
we are not going to do that. Now, there is a crossword puzzle here. And how do we solve these crosswords? We have two clues, two categories, across and down.
Yeah.
What is across? When we have to move horizontally. Okay. And what is down? When we have to
Like
move
عمودي.
vertically. Amudi, yes. And what is the other one?
عرضي. أفقي وعرضي.
Okay. One is horizontal, one is vertical. Okay. So I will write it down just for you to remember. Across is horizontal and down is vertical. Okay. And the numbers are written here. One means what? Your answer has to be somewhere here. So your answer will be 2 digits. Are you getting?
Yes.
This answer has to be written here. 2 answer has to be written here. This is a very interesting sort of thing. And I have never done or never seen this type of question in mathematics exercise, maths book, that you have some questions and they have to be substituted in this table. So this is very interesting sort of activity. Now let's do it quickly. Let's do it quickly. Akanni, okay, ignore the name. Okay, who has a name in the group now? Adnan. Okay, now this is Adnan for a moment. Okay. Adnan has a mass of 56,000 grams. What is his mass in kg? Who can tell?
56.
56, yes. How can you tell?
Divide by 1,000.
Divide by 1,000. So 1, 2, and 3. So your answer is 56. So we will put 56 here. Yes. Next question. A piece of metal is 5.1 meter long. When you convert to centimeter, what do you get?
Can I say, Mr.?
Yes.
510.
510. Very, very good. 510. Third one. 14 of tomato have total 1.5 kg mass. What is the
Hence-
weight of one? What you are going to do here? Multiply, divide.
Oh, multiply by 1,000.
multiply by yeah. لا.
Yeah,
Mr.
1,000.
Multiply by 1,000, then divide by 4.
kilogram. 4
Sorry,
divide
Muhammad Ali.
Yeah.
Muhammad Ali, everyone be silent. Yes, Muhammad Ali. Yes, go on.
4 divide 1.5 kilogram, which means we want to make it gram, it will be 1,500 grams.
صح.
What will be the
Wrong.
answer? What will be the
it will-
answer?
You want it in kilogram or gram?
You have the question in front of you. He's
It
telling
will-
you
it-
he wants in grams. He's telling you here in
Wait,
grams.
I need to solve it.
Okay, solve it.
Like Mr. 10 is like a quarter.
10. Where is 10?
10.
10.
14.
10 is this box in which
10.
you have fasuliya and everything.
Yes,
معلبة.
yes.
When you go to
معلبة.
Baqala, this small box, okay?
Okay.
Full.
This is, what do you call this in Arabic?
علبة.
معلبات.
Alba, okay. In which you have sometimes fish, but fish tin is very small. It's like this.
Yeah,
Fish
like
tin.
sardine.
But in this one, you have fool and
Fool.
fasuliya and so many stuff, okay?
Yeah,
Mr.
And
I
what
solved
else?
it.
Like green.
Mr. Do you want the answer?
Yes, tell me. Yes.
375 grams or 0.375 kilograms.
Okay, how did you get?
I did I made it from kilograms to grams, which is 1,500. Then I
Very
did
good.
4 divide. Then I did 1,500 over 4, and then I got
Yes.
375.
Very, very good.
And
Okay,
then
you
if
guys
I
are
wanted to make it,
understanding the total mass of 4 alava. What did you say? Alava? What was the word?
علبة.
Alba. Okay.
Alba.
So the mass of 4 alba is how much? 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg is how much?
1,500 grams.
1,500 grams. Now that has to be divided by 4. Why? To get the mass of each tin.
Of one.
Clear? So the answer will be 375 grams. Okay.
Okay.
Let me write it quickly. 375. Okay. Now let's do the first one. Here. Down. A piece of material is 6 meters long. Okay.
Okay. Can I answer,
We have
Mr.?
a 6 meter long piece, out of which a 33 centimeter is cut.
Okay. Can I answer,
33
Mr.?
centimeter is cut. Yes, Amir. How much
Uh,
material is left?
6 meter will be 600 centimeters. Minus
Very good.
33 meters will be 567 centimeters.
yeah,
500.
and
567.
567.
Yes.
it could be 5.67.
This is in centimeters.
Yeah.
But when you write 567, it's not fitting here.
Yes.
No, Mister, he put the 6 under the 5. Put the 6 under the 5. The one
Like
in the
this?
2. The one in the 2. No, not this one. Not this one. Under. 510.
510.
Yeah, here down the 5. Down the 5. Put the 6.
Oh, yeah. No.
567. 567.
This is for
Oh,
question
let
1.
me see. Is 510 correct for across?
No, Mister, it's correct. It's correct, Mister. No, Mister.
Yes, I answered
put the
that,
6
Mr.
under the 7.
I'm not reading the question correctly. 5.1 meter is divided into 3 parts.
Oh.
Yummy.
Okay.
No, Mister,
Mr.
it's correct, Mister.
No, it's not
No,
correct.
no, it's not
See,
correct.
I'll
Yeah.
tell you why, Mister. I'll tell you why. Go back to the thingy.
This is wrong. This is
This
wrong.
is wrong, yeah,
Mister.
Muhammad.
5.1 meter is what? 510
500
centimeter. When
centimeter
you
over
divide by
3.
3, you get what?
Wait. 21, 17, Mister.
170, yes, centimeter.
Yeah, 170.
This is the correct answer, not 510. Yes.
Yeah.
510
So
is wrong. So it will be
170.
170. And now look, now it is exactly matching. Now see, 567 will be coming here. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Muhammad Ali is confused. So this will be 567. Are you guys understanding, Badr and Adnan and Adam?
Yeah, Mr.
Okay, because I did not read the question completely, so that's why we did a mistake. Now this one, Anna is 1.37 meters tall. What is her height in centimeter? Wow, this is straight conversion only, nothing to be divided.
Yeah. Can I
What will be
answer?
the answer? Yes,
137 centimeters.
137. So 1 is there, 7 is there, 137. Yes.
Yes.
Plus, a bottle contains 2.6 liters. How many ml is there in each bottle?
Mr. 2.6 liters will be 2,600 millimeters over 8. So it will
What
be
is the conversion of this?
400. Yeah, 400 milliliters.
No.
No, 816. No, 300 millimeters. Yes, 300.
3 and then 20 will be 1. No, 2. Yes, this is the answer.
Why, Mr.?
325.
What why? Do it yourself. What why? Do it yourself. I did it already on paper, Annie, in front of you.
2,600 divided 8.
Because 300 will give 2,400 here, but this is not 2,400. This is 2,600. So the answer
Oh,
is not
yes.
300.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mister,
So,
from
and
liters to milliliters, 1,000.
Yes.
Okay.
How? Because when you go to the shop to purchase the Pepsi, half liter, okay? In this half liter Pepsi, how much ml is there? You have this Pepsi bottle, half liter. So it is written 0.5 liter or 500 ml, if you remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Now, this conversion of squares, you guys remember? I will recall.
Yeah.
This one. Okay. Now, 1 meter to 1 centimeter, if you ignore the square for a moment, what is the direct conversion between meter and centimeter? Multiply by
300.
300.
Multiply by 100.
no. Multiply by
1000,
100.
1000, 1000.
I'm not asking the answer. I'm asking you just the ratio.
Oh.
So it's 100 times. Now, when square is available here, what are you going to do? Apply the square to this thing.
Yes.
Multiply.
So it will be
So it will
multiplied by
be-
200.
Wow, mashallah, multiply by 200. Yes.
100 no.
No, Mr.
Oh, no.
Yeah. 100
It's
multiply.
So
multiply
the
by
answer is
10,000.
going to be 30,000
Yeah,
Yeah,
30,000.
30,000.
centimeters square. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
correct.
Yeah, correct. Mr. The answer is 10,000.
3,000 or 30,000?
And 100 multiply 100 equal 10,000.
No, it's equal to 10,000 because 4 zeros
Yeah,
will
10,000.
be there. Okay. Now, what about cube? What about cube?
Cube
Three.
multiply.
This time the conversion factor will be cubed, not square. And what is conversion factor? This thing. This
Yeah.
thing is conversion factor. Okay. Now tell me again, meter to centimeter. What is the direct relation?
1 million. 1 million.
But multiply by 1 million.
Yeah.
This was not the answer. I said meter to centimeter. I did not say meter cube to centimeter cube. What is the direct relation?
2,600.
100.
2,600.
100 meter,
Muhammad Ali is,
centimeter.
I don't know where. I'm asking what is your name? He's telling me I like ice cream. Answer the question that I'm asking you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm asking you what is the direct relation between meter and centimeter, and then you are telling me 2.6 million and yani, unnecessary. Okay. So 100 is the conversion factor, but there is a power in the question, right? Here and here. So what are we going to do? We are going to
100
apply this
multiply 100
power to
multiply
the
100.
conversion factor. So 100 will become very, very big. How much?
1
How many
million.
zeros will be there?
1 million.
How many
1
zeros
million.
will be there?
No. 6 zeros.
6
Sorry.
zeros.
And 2. Why?
Yes.
Because 100
Yeah.
multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. So it will be 6 zeros or 1 million.
1 million.
basically. Yes. So it will be 1 million.
Yeah,
And
2
1
million
million will be
600,000.
multiplied by 2.6. What will be the answer?
2,600,000
centimeter cube.
2,600,000. So the
Yeah,
answer will be
2,600,000.
2,600,000. Okay. So you guys already know this. So let's jump in straight away. Let me see how many exercises are there overall because the lesson is big. 16E you have. Oh, E, we have 5 exercises. So 1 is 10, 4 should go. So we have to rush and we cannot do many questions. Oh, second exercise is so small. I'm bringing it.
Like,
for
mister,
you.
we have to spend on each exercise 12 minutes. No, not 12 minutes. Wait.
Nice maths.
No, not 12 minutes, Mr. Amran.
24.
Yeah, 24. Because 2 hours. I thought it was
2
1 hour.
hours, not 1.
Yeah. Oh, now we have geometry.
Yes, triangles will not leave you alone. They want to scare you.
Nightmares.
For real.
Okay. So now we are facing the ratios. And a ratio is nothing but a fraction. Yani 2/3. If you want to write it as a ratio, what can you write?
2 to 3.
Write 2:3 or 2:3. Okay, simply. In India, we call it 2:3. Yani this is how we learn it in school. But in Gulf, in Khalij, I saw this 2:3. Okay, but it's yani same thing. It's nothing new. So 30 to 40. If you simplify it, what are you going to get?
6 to 8.
Cancel the zero. 3 to 4 is the answer.
Oh yes.
30 over 40. How can we simplify them? Cancel the zero.
Cancel the zeros. 3 to 4.
So 3 is to 4 is the
That's
final
it.
answer after simplification. Now, what about 3? 3 ratios.
1
So you
to
have to
4.
divide all. You have to divide all by a common number.
Yeah.
So which
1
table can we use? Which table can we use to cancel all the 3 things?
5.
5. Very
5.
good. So it will be 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So what is the final answer? Tell me, Badr.
2, 8. Oh, my bad.
2.
Hmm.
8.
2 is 2 or 2. You have to say something at least.
10 divided 5 equal 2.
No, not that. I'm saying for this symbol, you have to tell me 2 or is 2. You have to say at least something, either this or this. Okay.
Is 2.
So tell me from starting. What will I write? 2.
2.
Hmm.
Then 8
Before 8 what? I will put
is 2.
Khamsa Riyal hina
Is 2.
is 2. Okay. Next.
Then 8.
Hmm.
Then is 2. Then 5.
Okay. And in English,
Then is 2.
what is the name of this symbol in
Is
English?
2.
Colon.
Ratio.
Colon.
Colon, my bad.
Colon is the name for this.
Colon.
And this
Yeah.
is semicolon. This one. Okay.
Yeah.
This is semicolon. And this
Nus
one is
colon.
colon.
Nus colon.
Nus colon. Yes. Semi-final. Nus final.
Semi-final.
Okay. So what about this one? Last one. How do we
Which one?
simplify this? By the table of which big number?
10.
4.
Cancel by zeros.
Anything bigger than 10 possible?
No.
Yes, there is a big number possible directly.
We can make 20, 30.
B-
20,
one-
20.
Yes, 20.
Oh yes,
20.
20.
Can
Yes.
we
So
use,
we can
yes,
make
so if we,
like
what
20
will we-
divide
we
20.
can use 20. So 140 divided by 20 is going to give me what?
100. 20.
What 100? What 100? 140 divided by 20 will give me 100?
20. 120.
You are subtracting or you are
80,
dividing?
7, ya shabab, 7.
Yeah, 7. Then 20.
Or to make it simple, cancel 1 0 for all.
Yeah.
Now it is
Yeah, I
very
do like
easy
that.
now.
Yeah, 7.
14,
Now, very
28.
easy. 14, 20, and 8. Now tell me what?
Divide by
7.
2, 7.
Yes.
Oh,
Is
better.
2.
Okay. 5? How 5? Sis, how 5?
By 2, by 2.
By 2, divide by 2. What is the half of 20?
Divided by 2.
10. And what is the half of 8? 4. Okay.
10.
So I think Badr's thing is like 900,000 million.
What
Mr.
about
Can I
happened?
E?
Can I eat?
No, E.
Can I eat?
Yeah.
I heard, can I eat? Yes, you can eat. The iftar time is already gone. Yes. What about 17 and 51?
Divide by 17. It will be 1 to 3. 1 to 3. No, yeah, 1 to 3.
Wow. This guy is fast sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. Now let's move on to triangle. Why have they brought triangle into this chapter? Not a big deal. Okay. Now there are 3 sides given. 42 centimeter, or I don't know, centimeter or meter. They did not tell anything. I'm just assuming centimeter. Okay. This is masalan also centimeter. This is centimeter. Now what do we have to do? Write the smallest number first and then largest and then simplify. Okay. So which is the smallest side in this triangle?
21.
21.
21.
The
Then
first
what?
2.
42,
42.
49.
Two.
Then
Yeah.
42 and
Two.
49. Now can we
Divide-
simplify these?
Yeah, by 7.
Wow, wow, mashallah. What did you do today? Eat too much, drink too much milk or what?
Say
No.
12,
Indian
Mr.
food. He eats Indian food.
It's
367, Mr. 367.
Mother is funny. So 21, 42, 49. Very good. Now we will
3 to
divide by
6 to
7.
7.
3 to 6 to
3
7.
to 6 to 7. Yeah.
So ultimately, what are you going to get? I wasn't expecting brother to be that funny sometimes, but he's good. So the answer is 3 to 6 to 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
But what about this triangle? They did not tell what is here. They only told 10 and 12. Now, who knows what is here?
Opposite
Can I say,
angles.
Mr.? Can I say?
Yes.
No, not opposite angle.
Because the angle is 180, so we get 12 plus 10 equal 22 minus
No,
180.
that happens.
No,
That
it's 10.
happens
It's
when
10.
you have when you
10.
have angle. I'm not asking angle. I'm asking the length. Length you
Ah.
cannot do this plus this plus
10,
this
10,
is
10,
180.
10, 10, yeah, Mr. 10, 10.
Because
10.
beside it is 10.
10.
Yeah.
Why? Who can tell me the reason?
VOA, mister?
Because that's
Yeah,
This
vertical
line-
angle.
the two sides.
No, because of this. Because of
Line.
this
Opposite side.
line.
Yes.
No,
Students, please listen.
I forgot.
What is the meaning of this line that is created? Is it
Equal.
there for no reason? It
Oh,
is there
parallel
for-
lines.
When-
Parallel.
How parallel lines?
Uh,
How parallel lines? Parallel lines is this, and it is represented by arrows, not by this cutouts.
corresponding. mister.
What corresponding you guys are bringing? It's equal.
Yeah.
This side is equal to this side. Why? Because they have this symbol. Simple as that.
What does it
Equal.
mean?
Equal.
So this will be 10 also. So what will be the answer? Overall answer for this? What will
10.
be the ratio?
12 to 10 to 10.
12.
How 12 first? Is
Oh,
it
no, no,
not
no.
10 to
order?
10 to
Yeah,
10 to 12.
Yeah, 10 to
Halas.
10 to 10.
Indian food
yeah,
is
10.
gone, digested. No more energy left. It's
Because,
10
mister,
to 10 to 12. So what will be the simplified answer?
By
5
4.
to 6.
How 4? How 4? You will like it itna nus or what?
No, Mr. We'll put Mr. Look.
5.
Oh,
5.
oh wait.
5 to 6.
Yes.
5,
Yeah.
5 to 6.
Okay. What about the last?
Oh, what is this?
7.
7, mister. 7.
7, 7.
Wow. Which is equal to what?
1,
0
1, 1.
to 0 to 0.
1, 1.
What was 0? What 0?
How 1? 1.
7 divided by 7 is 1 or
1.
0?
1.
Maths is crying in a corner today.
Mister, I ate Indian food. Muhammad Ali ate Chinese food.
Mr. I eat carrot, Mr. I didn't eat Chinese food. I'm
Yes.
eating carrot.
Which pair of ratio are equivalent? Okay, what is equivalent? If two ratios
Equal.
after simplification are equal, they are equivalent. Now check the first one, try to simplify. What do you get?
By 9.
3.
By 9, very good. Indian food is working, mashallah. Everyone, take care, take notes.
2 and 3.
Indian
2 to
food.
3.
9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. Are you getting the same thing?
Yes.
So which pair of ratio are equivalent? We will write here. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes. And now
What about this one?
by 11.
about this one?
But this by no, but it can't work. mister.
Simplify this one and simplify this one. Simplify both.
2 to 3.
Wait, Yusuf is also there. Why is he not taking part?
I don't know.
Did he leave?
No, he's still
No,
here.
no, Mr. I'm here.
And when did Ibrahim join? I just noticed. He's here bin zaman wala eh?
Mister, I was eating.
You are eating? When did you join?
Yeah.
I noticed you just now.
Oh, I joined like 20 minutes ago.
Oh, really? I'm so lost in this exercise.
Yeah.
I don't even...
Mister, I'm a good listener.
You are a good listener? Okay, that's
Yeah.
very, very important thing. Now, can you tell me, Ibrahim, if we simplify
Oh,
34 and 51,
I think I know the answer.
What
will
did you say,
get?
Mister?
I'm
What did you say,
saying,
Mister?
I said, if you're going to simplify 34 to 51, what do you get? And if you simplify 4 to 6, what do you get? I'm asking you 2 questions, okay?
Okay. 4 out of 6. It's
Hmm?
you get 2 and
2
3.
to 3. Okay,
Yeah.
good. What about this one? 34 and
34 and
51.
51.
Hmm?
Let me think.
Yes. Everyone,
Uh,
everyone also, please think. Which
Mr.
big number can we
I know
use?
what
to
Mister,
cut-
I know the answer,
Yes,
Mister. I know the
silence,
answer.
silence, 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 silence. Yes, silence. Please think.
So beautiful.
Silence.
I like the first number of Cristiano Ronaldo, Mr.
Yeah, wait, I got it. I got it.
People are giving hint from left and right and center
Mister,
and forward
can I
and
see the
middle
answer?
and everywhere.
Mister, the answer.
No, better Ibrahim is answer.
Yes. Okay. Yusuf Firas, can you suggest him which number he should use to cut 34 and 51? Which table is good?
Mister, I think there's a number named 17. You know, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which
Mister,
number
I
is
just
that?
got on 16, Mister.
Not
16,
Mister, Wallah, I
nice.
just got on
Not
16.
No, 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 no. 16 is not working for this.
Yeah, I
17
know. I
is
know.
working.
It's 17.
17 is working. Now think. In the table of 17, 34 arrives and 51
It's
arrives at
two.
what position?
Yeah,
Very
I
good.
literally like just got on 16. It's
Yeah.
2,
2,
3.
2 to 3. So are we getting the same result on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is an equivalent ratio. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
This is very, very simple. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mister, how would I
Not
find
a big deal.
17, Mister?
This is your experience in mathematics. You have to know, Yani.
Okay.
Because see, when Muhammad Amir was giving this answer, how did he tell 1 and 3? Because he has experience that
Yeah.
in the table of 17, 51 arrives at 3rd position because of his experience. Okay.
That is not math.
خبرة. عنده خبرة.
خبرة.
Okay. What else? What else? What else? Last one. Okay, last one. Quickly. This one. Quickly. Who wants to answer?
By 6, Mr. No, not by 6.
Adam.
Not by
Now
6.
this time Adam. No, 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 no. This time Adam. This time Adam. Yes or no?
Yes, Mister.
What is the correct answer? Check and tell me. Is
Okay.
it yes or is it no? By looking, it is looking no, because this number is smaller, this is bigger, and this is bigger, this is
Yeah.
smaller. Just
Bigger,
by looking, you
smaller.
can tell. No need to use dimag for this.
Mm.
Okay. Yes,
But
everyone.
it's no.
Did you understand? This is small,
Yeah.
this is big, and this is big, and this is small. How can they be equivalent? Never. Okay. So, khalas, Adam got a easier
But
one.
Mr. The one before it, how would we solve it?
Divide by
This
8,
one?
Mister. Right? Oh no.
Okay,
No.
let's test now. Let's test everyone's capability. How can we cut 95 and 38? You know how can you track? You know how can you track? Look for even number and make the half of it. Which number is even in the previous question?
34.
What is the half of 34?
17.
17. Okay. Now use the same trick here. Which is the even number here?
38, 19.
Yes.
So by
19,
19.
yeah.
19. Now let's check in the table of 19. 95 arrives or not?
Oh, Mister, 5 2, 5 2, 5 2.
So fast. Now everyone is so fast after this trick. Okay.
Yes.
So it will be what? 19 times 5. Ibrahim, did you get? How did I track 19 down? How did I hunt?
What do you say?
Do you know how did I get to know that 19 is the suitable number to simplify 95 and 38? You know how did I get 19 in my head? Did you notice or did you not notice?
Mister, I did
Mister,
not
I'm
understand.
See, in numbers that are quite big, okay, like this question, like 95 and 38, you cannot track easily. They are coming in the table of 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, what is the trick? Look for the even number and make the half. Which number is even? Is 95 even?
No.
No.
No. Is 38 even?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is the half of 38 real?
15 and 3. So, no, 15 and 4. So, 19.
19. So in the table of 19, 38 arrives. This is yani sure. But let's check in the table of 19. 95 arrives or not? 19 multiplied by what number?
By 5.
By 5. 9
But we
times
said
5,
this way
45.
doesn't work. What we do?
No, it will like
It will,
always
most
work.
of the time it will work. As I told you here. No, in
So
the
we
previous
try it
one,
first. If it didn't work, we search for other ways.
most
Yeah.
of 90% of the time this trick will work.
Oh.
Mr. And also the second
You
ratio
want
we
to
have
check
to
it here? You can check it here.
right.
You can check it here.
Can
Or
you try,
you
can you try,
check with
mister?
other questions.
Both of them are even.
Both
The
of them are
last
even.
one.
You can try it wherever you like.
60. It'll be half 32 is 16.
Half of 30 is 16. Now check in the
And
table of
56 is
16. 56 arrives in the table of 16. 32, 48,
32, 48. No, it doesn't.
64.
It will be
No, it
64.
doesn't come. Okay, let's do the half of 16 again. Let's break it
8.
down again.
8.
8. In the table of 8, 32
It does.
comes or
It's
not?
7.
In the table of 8, 56
It's
comes.
16, 24, 32
7, 7.
by 4,
So you
and
will get
56 by
8
7.
times. 8 times 4 is 32 and 8 times
Yeah.
7 is 56. So 4 is to 7 is not same as 7 is to 4. Students, please remember. Okay. 4 is to 7
Yes.
and 7 is to 4. They are not equal. It is different. It's like 10 over 15 and 15 over 10. Are they same thing? No. Completely different. Someone is sleeping, huh? Oh, what kind of no was that?
Mister, that way is so
Um,
cool, mister.
What?
I've
that?
never heard of that way. It's so cool. The
You
doing
have
of
never.
multiplication. The way of the simplification.
Mhm.
Yeah, I've never like saw somebody doing that.
Yes. So you will find many things I'm doing that very few people are doing.
the way
Mashallah, Mr.
wears the sunglasses.
Okay. So this exercise is also gone. Let's bring in the third exercise. Are we ahead of time or we are late? Oh, there is
No,
I missed in this exercise. Question 5 and question 6. Let me quickly solve it. Then only we can go. Oh, I missed this. Okay. let's
Mr.
keep
We are
moving.
early 2 minutes.
We're only 2 minutes, so in 2 minutes we have to finish this. Okay. Yes, and if you have a ratio that has a decimal in it, masalan 0.8 to like 15, not 15, let's call it like 12. So what you guys have to do, if you find something like that, you have to remove the decimal first. Now, how can I make this number decimal free?
Multiply by
I
10.
should multiply by at least
10.
10, correct? But if I'm doing something here, the same stuff has to be done here to keep the
Balance.
balance. Yes, to keep the balance. So 0.8 multiplied by 10, Ibrahim, will give me what? And 12 multiplied by 10 will give me what, Ibrahim?
120 for 12 and 8 for 0.8.
Good. Now, can you simplify this term? 8 and 120?
Yeah.
Yeah.
By 8.
Okay, go for it. By the table of?
The number
8.
of Sir
Wait, give him time, give him time.
I think it's table of 6. No.
No. 6.
4 and 6.
Number of
4 and
3
30.
Mister, did you know that 7 plus 1
Oh.
equals 8?
No,
Oh.
it can't work by 8.
It can't. But you can make it
Ibrahim,
like
I'm
4.
waiting.
4.
If
4.
you,
Yeah,
if
yeah,
you
it
pass
can't.
the
It can't. You can make it by 4, but you can't do it with the 8.
Yes.
No
Or
problem.
6.
If you can't do by 8, do by 4. What will you get if you divide by 4? Tell me.
Yeah.
What will
They
you
do
get?
it.
Tell me.
Mister, we can buy 8. It will be
Okay,
We
but
can do
if
it
8
right.
is big for few students, what they will do? They will just sit in the exam? No, they can do by 4. Okay. So Ibrahim, tell
Yeah.
me. I'm waiting quickly. Otherwise, I need to pass the question.
2 and
So
3.
divide by 4.
Wait, no, 2 and 30, my bad.
2 and 30.
Four.
Now, is it in the simplest form?
30.
So how
Okay,
30?
2 and 30. But is it in? No, we will get 30. 120
Oh,
divided by
yes,
4 is
yes.
30, brother. Okay.
Yes.
Now, is this in the simplest form or is more simplification possible?
Yeah.
Mister, there's a
There's
number
also
called
simplification,
2, Mister.
More simplification possible? Okay, how more simplification is possible? Tell me. By what number should I divide?
There's a number called 2, Mister.
By 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
which is going to give me, what is
1 to 15.
the final
1
answer?
to 15.
1 to 15.
15, yeah.
Okay. So if you cannot divide by a bigger number 8 directly here, what you can do in 2 steps like this, but you will reach the same
But
answer. Okay.
Mr.
You
I have a
reach the-
question.
Hmm.
If the question was like 0.08 to 12, we have to multiply by 100.
Yes. If the question was 0.0 to 12, what is your target to make this guy decimal free? Yani there should be not any decimal available. Clear? What you will do? Multiply by 100 here, and to keep the balance, you have to multiply the other guy, the
Multiply by
denominator,
100.
by 100 also. So what will you get?
100. 1 to 150.
8
8 to
1200,
1,200.
8
which
to
will give you
1,200, then
to
1
150.
Then
to
divide by
150.
8. Oh.
Okay, because the question is same, only just 1 0 is extra. So instead of
yeah.
15,
Add 1 0 to
you are
15.
going to get 150. Clear?
Yeah.
This is what is appearing
Clear.
here in this exercise. Clear.
Okay.
Now, how we will do this one when both of them have decimal? No problem.
Multiply by 10 by both.
Multiply 10 by both. Now, let's do
Yeah.
this one. Let's do this one. Everyone, note in your notebooks, I'm giving 2 minutes. Solve this in your notebooks.
Okay.
Remove the decimal and then convert to simplest form. Everyone, I'll be back after like 1 minute, 1:30. Let's do the timer. 1.
Okay, Mr. I'm back.
You're back. You there?
Yeah.
Good.
My mom came
Okay.
in my room.
Okay. So I have given this
Mr.
question,
I
everyone.
got the answer.
Please solve it in 1 hour 30 minutes. Not in 1 hour 30 minutes. What am I saying? In 1 minute and 30 seconds. Quickly.
I got
C
the answer,
part.
Mister.
Okay. Wait. Very good. Wait.
Mister, I got the
And
answer,
check off.
Mister.
Yeah, Mister.
Wow.
Mister,
wow,
so
wow.
easy. Just
But
one
I
step,
want in
Mister.
simplest form, please, everyone. I want
Yeah,
in
yeah,
simplest
simplest
form.
You can't make it simplest.
Yeah, Mister.
Okay. Okay. I'll tell the answer after 1 minute.
Okay, Mister.
Let others do.
Oh, you can make
Have the
simplest.
number of Messi and Ronaldo.
Wow. The Ronaldo is 7, right? And
Yes.
the Messi is 10.
And there is another
And-
one
And
for
the one in the
Juan
middle is
Bernat.
odd.
Wait. Students. Wait.
The one in the middle for Juan Bernat.
And it's odd.
You know,
Yes.
you are 1 button away from being muted. You two guys. Last 20 seconds. Adnan Badar, finished? Adam finished? Yusuf Firas,
No, Mister. No.
Yeah, Mister. It's easy.
Ibrahim. Now I will ask Ibrahim. What is the minimum number that I need to remove the decimals here? I should multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000. Ibrahim, this question is for you. Which one? Are you there? You are not responding. The question passes to Adam.
Why not Muhammad Ali?
Okay, Mister. We multiply 10
We multiply by 10. Why?
because there is only one number after the decimal.
Exactly. One number after the decimal. So let's ignore 100 and 1000 and let's continue with 10. So if I multiply each term by 10, what is the new ratio that I'm going to get?
50 to
50 to
650, 65,
what? 600? 65
65 to 35.
35. Badr, did you understand what just happened? Or you are confused from where these new numbers
Yes.
came? Are you
Yeah.
getting it? Okay. Now, is this in the simplest form?
No.
Yani, is it
No.
possible to simplify it? It is possible, yes.
Yeah.
Now, which
Yes.
table we will use to simplify them?
5.
Allah.
Go for 5. Okay. What will be the
50 divided 5 equals
Yes.
10.
Okay, Badr, very good. Next.
65 divided 5
Hmm.
equal.
Bidun ala muhasiba, huh?
I am doing in the paper.
No way.
Everyone.
Plus 15 يا
65.
شباب. Plus 15.
Mister, I can answer 35.
Okay, tell me 35.
7.
Mister, can I answer 65?
7. Tell me the middle one. Yes, Ali.
13.
13. Is it in the
Yeah.
simplest form or any more simplification is possible?
No more, Mister. خلاص.
No more possible. So we will just stop here. Okay. Simple.
Yeah.
Let's jump. Okay. Now it's becoming to the next level. Okay. We have percentage also. We have decimal also. We have fraction also. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Now,
Yeah.
36% is what? If you convert to fraction.
0.36.
No,
36
don't
over
keep,
100.
don't. If you make it 0.36 also, okay.
But
It's not
Yes.
a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay. Make 0.36. And decimal, keep it as it is.
0.6.
And 3 over 25 is what?
Long division, Mister.
Okay. You can do long division.
It will be 0.
0,
Then
0. And then 0, 0. No,
Yeah.
1 0 only. 1 0 only. And then
multiply by
what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Again. 3 is there. It cannot be done. So we add a 0 and 0 point. And then 1. And then
yes.
50 times 2. So this is 0.12. Okay. Now from
Zero
here you can do it.
Yeah, it will be
What is the minimum number that we need to multiply all?
100.
Is everyone getting? What am I doing so quickly?
Yes. 100.
Yes.
I just converted everything to decimal to make everything similar. So 36% is what? 0.36. This was already decimal, not a big deal. So this I just did. 3 divided by 25. So I got 0.12. Now let's try to remove their decimals. So what is the minimum number? See, here there are 2 decimals. Here there is 1 decimal. Here there are 2. So what is the biggest number
Multiply
that
by
we need to
100.
multiply? 100. So
Yeah.
it's not like you will do 100 here and 10 here. No, students, please remember, this is not balance. Okay. This is
Yeah.
wrong. You don't do like this. You have to select a same number and multiply here and here and here. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? The number has to be same
Yes.
to keep the balance. You cannot choose, okay, mia hina, wa alfina, wa ashara hina, la, wish kida. Okay. So, times 100, times
36
100,
to 60.
and times 100. So, what are you going to get
36 to
finally?
36 to 60.
36 to
to
60
12.
to 12.
So it will be 6
Wow.
to
Now they
10
look so good. Now they
Yeah.
look so good.
Yeah.
Which big
Divide by
table we
2.
will use?
by 6. 6 to
Yeah, by
10.
6.
No,
So
there is 12. 12 possible.
oh yes,
يا
12.
مستر خلاص شوي
Uh,
مستر.
12 to 5
No,
to 1.
sure.
No, 2
So
to
it will be 3.
oh yeah, 3 to 5 to 1.
Allah, the food is digested.
Mister, in the exam, I'm not sure about putting 12. That's why, like, I know big numbers, but I'm scared to
You
put
can
them.
use 6.
So I make
You
by
can use
2.
6.
By 2.
By 2 also.
Like,
Khalas, okay, you can make by 2. No problem. 36, 60, 12. By 2, you will get 18.
18,
and 30,
30, and
6.
6.
Make again by
Then-
2.
And then 9.
3.
9,
Yeah.
15
9,
and 3.
15, 3.
Now 2 is not
By
possible.
three.
Take by 3.
By
Yeah,
three.
By
so
3,
So
3
three,
to 5 to
5,
1.
5,
1.
1.
And 1. Yeah,
This
like
is also
this.
correct. Not a big
I do
deal.
like
It's
But
so
if you-
long, mister.
But it is so long. But if you
Yeah.
want to save time, you can use 12. But in the exam, if you're not confident that you can do perfect with 12, no problem. Do by 2 and 2 and 3. Okay, it's up to you. As far as you are solving the same thing, it's good.
Mister,
Not
can
a
you go to
problem.
the last to the best question, like the last question we answered for?
Where?
Yes, this one. No, not this one. Pass, ignore, Mister. I was going
And
to.
here you can do it again. You can just
Yes. Long division, long division, long division.
make
Then
it long
multiply.
division, or there is one more way. What is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3? What is the answer of all these three?
60.
It's a 60, 60.
60. Now I will tell you
Yeah.
another way of solving this. Whichever is easier, you can do in the exam. Now this example is very, 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 very simple. For anyone can do it. And long division is not required now because long division is scary stuff. Okay, long division is scary. So this method, what I'm trying to tell you, is less scary. Okay, how? You will check in a minute. Now, what did I ask? The first thing, what is the product of denominators? Okay, product means what? After you multiply all of them. So product of, you can note it down, this step. Okay, product of denominators is 60, correct?
Yes.
Now what you do, multiply each guy by 60.
120, 180, 120.
To keep the balance.
Yeah.
What 120? What 120?
Oh, multiply
You will
by
not
2 over
simplify?
5, yeah, Amir.
Oh yes,
2 over 5.
65, then 3 over 4.
120 over 5 equal 20 and 4. So 24. The first one will be 24.
So what are you going to get?
Mr. First one, 24.
12
Hello?
multiplied. No.
So
Bella.
if we
60. Can you show
5
me, Mr.?
and 12 and then 24. Very good.
Oh yes,
Mohammed Ali.
12
So
because
you will get
Yeah.
12 here. What about second Adam? Tell me what I'm going to get in this one.
I got it. Yes, mister.
Yes, tell me.
45.
3 over Muhammad Ali.
3.
Take care, huh?
Ali, we can hear you.
This is the second yellow card. Now you are gone. Out of the field.
Okay.
You can use the simplification here and here. And then tell me.
Okay. 4 was 60. 2, table 2.
Okay.
4 will be 2, 60 will be 30.
Yes. Anything more possible?
Yeah. 2
me.
will be 1, 30 will be 15.
Okay, so what will be the final answer? Multiply this and this.
15. 3 multiply 15.
How much? Tell me the answer.
Equal 45.
45. Okay, who is going to tell me the last one? Yusuf.
Yeah. Okay.
What will
So
come here?
we're gonna simplify 3 by 60, which will be 2 over 1 multiply 20, and then it'll be 40.
40. Very good. 40. Okay. Now, is this in the simplest form or our answer is done?
No, we can simplify more. No.
No.
Check with 2. With 2, only this and this guy can be simplified, not 45.
Yeah.
Check with 3.
Yeah.
Check with 3. Only this and this.
Yes.
4.
4. No.
First and last.
12 and 40.
So 5. No. 6. No. I think it's not possible now. Okay, it's not possible. So this is the answer. See, we did not do any long division. This is the answer.
Mr.
Way one is easier.
Mr. It can't be decimal.
If it will be by decimal, it will be 6 to 22.5 to 20.
No, don't keep it decimal, brother. Just keep it without decimal. Okay, just keep it like this. Do not make it, yani you make it 6, you make it 20, but you make it here 22 and a half.
22.5.
No, no, don't do like this. Okay, we don't want, we don't, because why? Because what is the question here? Whole number
Whole number.
form. Whole number is not containing decimal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take a small break, like 10 minutes. I'll be back with new exercise, next exercise, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Which way is easier? Yeah, Mr. Oh, my bad.
Who is still sitting? Did not take a break.
Me.
Me, Asra.
Yeah. Me, Muhammad Ali.
I think 10 minutes were exact for
No.
me because now I brought all the screenshots. Just finished with all the screenshot and now the time is also up. Okay. So the time is up. We have 2 exercises done, 3 remaining, 3 to go. Okay, everyone is there. Give your attendance quickly.
Here we
Say
see.
hi. Yusuf is there. Muhammad Ali is there. What about the Ajiz brothers? Amir,
I am here.
Ibrahim, Adam. Adam, Amir, Ibrahim. We need to start quickly. Come back. Okay. I'm continuing because already this lecture is being recorded. Yes. So let's come back. 16. See, now we are using ratios to solve some real life problems. Okay. Here we were only simplifying in this exercise. In the previous exercise, okay, we learned how to simplify and compare equivalent ratios. Yes, like this. But we were not solving any real life problem. Now we will use ratios in day-to-day stuff like cake and rice and sugar and everything. So there is a packet of sugar which has 100 grams. Okay. And another packet Y 5 kg sugar. Okay. Now, which bag contains most sugar?
The 5
It's quite obvious. Which has more mass?
of course 5 kg.
Of course, 5 kg. Yes. Okay. 5 kg. Now, next one. Is it correct to use the ratio 100 to 5 to compare
No.
the two quantities of sugar? Is it? Can we write this 100 here and can we write this 5 here? Yes or no?
We need to
Why?
convert the kg to grams.
Yes, very, very good. We cannot just put these two numbers back to back and think that we are doing a good job in making a ratio.
Yeah.
No, ratio can be made when the units are same. But when the units are not same, we need to convert and then put them side by side. Otherwise, there will be a mistake.
Yeah.
Because then it will look like what? 100 is bigger and 5 is smaller. But in reality,
Actually,
5
the
is
kg
so
is
big. Yes, 5 is so
Yeah.
big compared to 100 grams. Okay. So you know this answer. Express 5 kilograms in grams. How much is that?
5,000.
5,000. Okay. Now the last. They did not ask. Yes, they asked the ratio. Now write the ratio to compare the quantity of sugar X to Y. Now if X they wrote first, we have to use the X ratio first. So how are we going to solve this question?
It will be 100 to 5,000.
Yes, the ratio will be here. It will be 100 to
To
5,000.
5,000.
Why? Because we are converting it to grams. Now, can we simplify it?
Yeah, we can remove all the zeros.
1
It
to
will be
1 to 50.
Not
1
all
to
the
50.
zeros.
Not
all
1 to
the zeros.
50. 1 to
The
50.
last
Only
two
two
zeros.
zeros.
The last two zeros. Okay, the last two
1 to
zeros
50.
only. You just
1 to
arrived and
50.
then boom. You are bombarding with the answers. 1 to 50 is the final answer.
No,
Okay.
Mister.
What about
Sir,
Uruz?
you was putting 100 and 500.
No, he did not think 100 and 500. He's thinking 105,000. That's why he gave me the answer 150. What about this rose packet?
Sorry,
250 grams and 1.5
1.5
kg. What will be the simplified ratio?
It will be
If we take,
It will-
if we take this ratio first, if we take this ratio first,
2000. What is this?
200.
250. 250.
This is in
250.
grams,
to
so it will
1,500.
be kept the same.
250 to 1500.
1,500.
and can we
grams.
And
simplify?
we cancel the last zero
Last cancel the
Cancel.
last zero. Very good. And
25
then
and
simplify by
100 and
25.
150.
simplify by 25. Now, Adnan, I think he had a Indian breakfast. I think now he's doing very fast.
So it will be 1
Okay.
and
1 to 6.
No, let him speak. Let
1
him
and
speak.
6.
Let him speak.
One
let-
will be 1 to 6.
مخالفة عليك يا يوسف. 1, 2, 6. Okay. Very, very good. What about this samak?
3.2.
3,200. Yeah, 3,200.
200 grams to 750 grams.
275 grams.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
275? 750
We will
Remove
cancel the
the
750.
last
zero.
750. And simplification?
zeros?
Remove
Zeros?
the
Last
zero.
zero with last zero or okay. Then what?
By 5. No, not 5.
220 by 75.
You can't simplify. You can't. You can't. I think you can't.
No, we can.
How-
Divide
Oh,
we
we can. We
can,
can. We
we
can. We
can.
can. We
by
can. We
5
can.
5.
No. Oh, wait. We can.
Can make it by
By
5.
It will be
Yeah.
64 15 to 15.
How
Yeah,
did you get
64.
64 so quickly? How did you get?
100 and 100 and 100. 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. And 24.
Okay. What else? Can we go further?
No.
No.
I
No.
think no. I think no. We
Because-
cannot.
Yeah, we can.
So this is our answer. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Use a ratio to compare. So it's basically the same thing. Yani I am skipping. But what is the meaning of dozen?
Dozen, it means 10.
6, 12. 12 or
10, 3 dozens, which is 30.
12. 12.
12. Like when
Yeah,
we
12.
Oh.
go to the market here, we purchase the bananas in India by dozen. We don't purchase by kilogram, but in Saudi we purchase by kilogram the bananas.
Mr. In donuts, we get dozen in donuts. Like in Dunkin'
In-
Donuts.
In Dunkin' Donuts,
Yeah.
you get
Oh, yeah.
what? Yani
Half a
dozen
dozen
for
is
what?
6. And
Yeah,
Dozen
half
what?
a dozen and 1
Yeah,
dozen.
No, how do you order? Yani what do you order? Half dozen
Give
ice
me
cream or
1
what?
dozen. We say give
Yeah,
me
Mr.
1 dozen.
1
we
dozen
give
or-
you 1.
if you want 6
Number
pieces, you can say just a half
pieces.
dozen.
Yeah.
You order 12, yani you order 12 ice cream piece in
No,
No, no,
donuts.
the-
Donuts.
Donuts.
Ice
Donuts.
cream.
Donuts,
Donuts.
Mr. Donuts.
sorry,
Donuts.
sorry.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
Mr. Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay. In the
Dunkin'
box
Donuts.
that you bring. That one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very,
Like
very
half a
tasty,
dozen
this
or
one.
you want a dozen, 2 dozens.
Yes. How do you say dozen in Arabic?
Dozen. The
Darza?
same thing. Same thing.
No, that's
Dozen.
Same
Dozen.
thing, yani
Dozen.
Darzan.
dozen.
Darzan.
Dozen.
Dar and zan.
Yeah.
And a very
Darzan.
similar name in Hindi and Urdu we call darjan. We call this.
Darja?
Dozen, Darzan, and
Darjan.
Darzan.
Darjan, bil jim. With
Mr.
jim.
Darzan, Darzan, and dozen.
Very similar. All the words are
Yeah.
so similar.
Yeah.
Okay. No, the donuts are very, very tasty. And when you guys brought it to the school, it was very tasty.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't like donuts, mister.
It's
too
What?
sweet.
You have to disagree with me. Yes, for no reason.
It's too sweet. Like I can't eat.
You are health conscious or what?
Diabetes,
You are
mister.
going to the gym or what?
No, mister, but I think it's too sweet. I can't eat it. Like
Yes, it's
Mr.
completely
He is
fine.
scared of the diabetes.
It's completely fine. Yes, no problem. Some are very, very sweet. Some are, I think, less sweeter. Yani. It depends on the flavor you are asking.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? How can we simplify this time?
Mister, I came back.
It will be 60 seconds.
Oh,
Six,
now you are
60
here.
seconds to 40 seconds.
60 seconds.
To
60
40
seconds
seconds.
multiplied by
And divide by
What
4.
60?
Divide by 4.
What 60? 5 minutes is 60 seconds?
Oh,
MashaAllah.
no.
No.
Wait, my bad.
60
My
60
multiply by 4.
multiplied by 5.
Wait, but
How much?
Multiply by
Oh,
5,
five,
it will
five,
be
five, five.
300.
300 seconds to 40 seconds.
Very good. And anything else possible?
It will be
No.
simplified by 10. It will be
Zeros, take the
30 to 4.
zeros.
30 to 4.
First zeros.
30 to
30 to
4.
4.
Anything else possible?
15, 15.
Yeah, divide by
15 to
2,
2.
15 to 2,
Yeah.
or yeah, it
خلاص.
can be.
Bas,
15
bas,
to
bas, bas.
Yeah.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Yeah,
Enough,
yeah.
enough. Okay. This is not wrong. Okay, this is not wrong, but not preferred. Yani. It's not wrong, but it's not. It's better to avoid the decimal. It's better. So just keep it until here. Okay. It's not wrong. Okay, I'm not saying it's wrong, but yani, why make things complicated? Okay, now let me. Now see, it's basically the
1
same
hour.
thing. Now I cannot do the same thing again and again. 1 hour and then
60
centimeter and
minutes.
ton.
خلاص, easy.
Just I will ask Ibrahim if he's there.
I'm there, mister.
Yes, 1.4 ton. Just convert it to kilogram and I'm done. In kilogram, how much it is?
4 tons a kilogram.
1.4 ton.
1,400.
Very good. 1,400 kg.
Mister,
Okay,
the
let's
reason
move.
I'm not talking that much is because my internet keeps cutting off.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, that's annoying when
Correct.
the internet gets, yes, frequent fluctuation and it's not good. Now, instead of, now we have, see, we have squares and we have to simplify these things. Yani. Now, please, everyone,
Mm.
pay attention. Huh? Please, everyone, pay attention. Can we start simplifying like this 5 and 50? Can we
No,
do
mister.
this?
They
No.
need to be the same.
What is the reason? Why not?
They are not the same unit.
The units
They are
need
not
to,
the
needs to be the same,
same.
so we can.
Exactly. Because this is centimeter square and this is mm square. So what are you going to
Yeah.
do?
You're gonna make
We're
it
gonna change.
Centimeters will be
We're
multiplied by 10.
gonna convert.
250 centimeters square to 250 millimeters
Yes,
square.
Ibrahim. So what do you suggest? We convert centimeter square to mm square, or what do you suggest? We convert mm square to centimeter square, which is simpler. Who want to answer?
Can I
Me,
answer?
I can.
Muhammad
Can
Ali.
I, Muhammad
Yes,
Ali?
Yusuf.
Oh, okay.
Muhammad Ali already
Uh,
spoke too much today.
Centimeter to mm, because if we convert mm to centimeters squared, centimeters squared, it will be in decimal, which will be harder.
It will be in decimal, which will be hard. Very good. So
Yeah.
please remember, try this technique, bigger to smaller. That will be simpler and less than decimals to deal with. Okay. That means we are not going to touch this guy. Okay. No need to touch or no need to convert this guy, but convert the first guy instead. So tell
Yeah.
me, 5 centimeter square, when you
50.
convert to mm square, what are you going? 50?
50. Yeah.
It is square.
Oh, no. By
500. 500.
What?
No.
So
500,
centimeter.
500, yes, about
See,
500.
how we are going to figure
yes.
out now. Think centimeter to
500.
meter. What is the normal conversion factor?
Multiplied by 10.
Multiply by 10.
10.
Multiply by
But
10.
when we
10
go from
multiply by
centimeter square to mm square, what
100.
is the conversion
Multiply by
factor?
100.
500.
Multiply by 10.
10 times 2.
Or
Yani
10
100.
squared, yeah.
Yeah, 10 square.
Okay. So 5 will become what?
500.
500 millimeter square.
So this answer will be what? 6a. It will be what?
500 to
500
250.
millimeter
250.
to 250.
250.
No,
Divide by
mm
5. 5.
mm square here.
Yeah.
And mm
And
square,
square.
here will get also cancelled out. So I'm not going to write here. Okay.
Yes.
Students, please remember there is no unit in ratios. I'm going to write it very big. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The ratio, this can come in fill in the blanks. What? The ratios do
Mr.
not have units. Why they don't have units? Who can tell me the logical explanation?
Because
Please
they're
write it in
already
your
the
notebooks.
same.
Because if
Please write
if
this.
there were no
Everyone, please
unit,
write
there'd
this.
be a problem.
What problem? No, this is not the proper explanation. The reason is, yes, who wants to tell the reason?
I have a better explanation, Mister.
Yes.
Because if you put it units, it will be much more complicated and it will be harder to do it.
There is no unit. I'm not saying we are not going to put unit. I'm saying there is no unit. There is no unit. I'm not saying I'm putting or not. It's my
Because
choice.
they both
No.
are the same units.
No. The reason is 500 mm square and
Mister, they get cancelled, right?
they
Or-
get cancelled. So they don't
Yeah, and-
exist.
Ah.
Yani they don't cancel. They don't
Oh,
exist.
I thought
Yusuf,
you wanted
Yusuf
Y.
answer is correct. Okay. They don't exist. They don't exist. Why? Because they cancel out each other. So what is the final
Okay.
answer now? 500 to 250?
250
final?
to 100. To 1. 250 to 1. No.
What?
2 to 1. 2 to
What?
1. 2 to
What?
1.
She
Yeah,
needed
two-
zeros.
two
She
to
is
one, two to
zeros.
one.
2 to 1.
1.
2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Wait,
Yeah.
she is 50 to 25 and then divide by 5. It will be
Divide
10
by 250. Divide by
10 to
250.
5. 10 to
Okay,
5.
it's your choice. You can use the table of 250. You can cancel the zeros. 50 and 25. You can cancel by
5.
25. Yani,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
your choice. It's your choice. Okay.
Mister, you know,
Now
most
let's
of the
let's do this one.
tests Mister, in our class don't like they say for us no need to simplify.
Yeah, even Mr.
Okay. 6.
Yeah, he said first.
Everyone do this one. Do this one quickly, everyone. 0.25 silently in your notebook. Silently, I'm giving 1 hour. No, not 1 hour. 1
Oh,
minute and
yeah.
30 seconds. What is happening here? 1 and then 30 here.
Mr. Your screen is lagging for me. Oh, okay, my bad. Meter?
Like
Centimeter.
this.
Easy.
हाँ मैं देख लूँ. Okay, so 0.25 meter cube to 75,000 centimeter cube. Yes, the time remaining is almost 1 minute now. Quickly. Hurry up.
I finished, Mister.
Okay, good.
Me too.
Keep
I'm
your
almost
answers.
done.
Keep your answers. Yes. Keep your answers silent. Yes.
Okay, I got the answer.
Good.
Mister, do you know at that same moment?
Wait. Let the time pass. Let the time pass.
5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, time's up. Who is still solving?
I'm done.
I'm done.
Who is still solving? Adan, Badar, are you solving still? Ibrahim?
Yes.
You know the procedure or you are stuck somewhere? Ibrahim?
Huh?
Are you stuck somewhere or you need some more time? Or you don't know now what to do?
No, I can't hear you well.
Ah, you have network issues.
No, I don't
Can you
have.
see the answer?
Can I say, Mister?
Keep your answer, keep your answer. At the end, you can check that did you get the same answer or not. Okay, I want to go step by step. Now, we are going bigger to smaller. You remember this rule? I told you go bigger to smaller. Now,
Yeah.
bigger is meter cube. So let's convert this guy and let's keep this guy unchanged. Okay, 75,000, keep it unchanged. Now, what is the normal relation between a meter and centimeter? What is the normal relation?
100.
Multiply by 100. Okay, but this is normal. Now we
3.
are going to deal with the cubic part. So cubic part, it will be 100 times power 3. 100 power 3.
Yeah.
Which is two,
Yeah,
2,500,000.
which is 1
Mister,
million.
I want to
Yani-
answer.
Yeah, 1
No,
million. Yeah.
not 1 million, Mister. No,
Bala, 1 million.
100,000.
لا 1 million. Yeah.
What
What?
100,000? 1 million.
1 million.
2 zeros.
6
and then two
zeros. Yeah,
zeros,
6 zeros.
And then
Yeah.
2 zeros and then 1. So this
Yeah.
is what? 1 million, Muhammad Amir.
1 million.
الله عليك يا أمير.
Wait. Oh yes. Okay. Okay. I think I added 3 zeros.
Oh.
You added 3 zeros. Oh. Okay. So ultimately, 1 million has to be multiplied by this guy, 0.25. Okay. Yani 0.25, we have to perform 6 zeros right, skipping. Yani 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's fill the empty spaces by 0. What do we get?
Which is 2,500,000.
No,
No.
not 2 million.
25,000, Mister.
What?
Wow.
250,000.
No.
What is happening in the group?
What?
250,000.
What is this number?
250,000.
What is happening?
Oh, Mister, 250,000.
6 digits.
Amir
6
and
digits.
Muhammad
4
Ali, they are khalas. They,
No, Mister, I
they
made a
lost.
mistake. I made a mistake.
They lost their concentration. I think it's enough. Too
Mister,
much
6
math. What
digits
is it?
and 4 zeros.
Mister, I didn't count the zeros. Mister, I forgot to count the zeros.
So
My
it will
answer,
be-
my final answer is correct, but I didn't count the zeros.
Okay, let's go there. So we get this. Now let's simplify these two things, because centimeter cube and centimeter cube will get simplified both sides. So I'm not going to write it. Okay,
250
they
and
will get
75.
cancelled. So
Yeah.
how many zeros can I simplify here and here?
3.
3.
3 zeros, very good. So three zeros gone here, 3 zeros gone here. What do
Gone.
we have? 250
250
and
to
75.
50 and 75.
275.
It will be 3 to 1.
Can it
No.
be simplified further?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
By
which
5.
table?
5.
By 75, Mister.
By
Yeah.
25.
5. Why do you put high numbers?
Okay,
Because it's easy.
let's deal with 5. Let's not 75 definitely.
Yeah.
But let's
Why?
deal with 5.
It will be 50. 50
Let me
to
go 50,
15.
50 to 50 to 15.
15.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
again by 5.
It will
10
be
to
Again by
3.
5.
10 to 3. 10 to 3.
10 to 3. That's all. That's the answer.
Oh, that's my final answer.
But Mister, if it was by 7,
How many of you get 10 to 3?
Me.
How many? Adnan? Okay.
Amir.
Muhammad Ali also?
yes.
Yeah.
And me,
Me,
Mister.
Mister, also.
But Mister,
Hmm.
I make it divide 25.
عادي.
Yes, you will get still the same answer. And in
Yeah,
let's
Mister.
step,
Also
yani
me.
you got
Like
250
Listen,
and
when
75.
simplify,
Let's
I
divide
make
by
it
25 here. Let's divide by 25 here. So it will be 10 and 3 directly. It's good.
Yes.
If you can do
Mister, I
the
made it
bigger
like
number,
this. 25.
the bigger number you select, the quicker you will get the answer. The smaller number you take, the more
will
steps you are doing. Yes.
Mister,
somebody-
75. Can it work?
It cannot. In the table of 75, 250 does not come. How
You
can you
cannot
solve
get
it?
in.
75. 150. Oh yes, I thought it
No,
125.
it doesn't.
Mister, I make it divided by 25. Like,
By 25 is good. By 25 is
Yeah,
good.
I
Now,
used 25, Mister.
so this exercise was also not a big deal. We were just simplifying 2 units like centimeter, mm, and this. Okay. Now we have only 2 exercises remaining quickly, 16D and 16E, right?
Yes.
And in this exercise, we are going to divide a quantity into 2 guys or 3 guys. For example, you have 450 kg of what? What do we have of 450 kg?
Of
Give me a good
cotton.
example.
Cotton, Mister.
Of cotton.
Yeah.
Okay, better. Give me one more example. For cotton is also good.
450 kilogram of wheat.
Wheat.
Sambu.
Okay, let's take it wheat. Not weed, huh? Please, everyone, not weed.
Yeah, Mister, I hear you.
Now you hear me, huh? At the
Yeah.
Yes, at the critical moment. Wow. Okay, wheat. So we have 450 kg of wheat. Now this wheat I want to distribute in two guys, but not equally. Okay, I don't want to give both of them 225 and 25. No, I don't want to give them 50-50%. I want to give the first guy in 3 parts, and I want to give the second guy in 2 parts.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to give the first guy more than the second guy. Okay, and okay. So how I'm going to perform this thing? How many total parts I have to give? Yani, finally, I have to give total
5.
5 parts, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, parts. What type of spelling is this? Parts. Parts. P-A-R-T-S. Now these 5 parts should be equal to 450. So if 5 parts is giving me 450 kg, one part will be how much kilogram?
90 kilogram.
90. Very good. Now, if 90 kg is one part, how much should I give to the first guy?
270.
I think only one guy is getting. And to the second part, to the second boy,
180.
180. And still 450 is the final answer. This is how we solve. I'll repeat it. I was just telling you the fast way. Okay? Did you guys see what just happened?
Yeah.
I'll do it one more time. 450 kg of wheat has to be distributed in 2 guys, 3:2 ratio. Are you getting?
Yeah.
In total, how many parts I have to substitute? 3 parts I have to give to boy A, and 2 parts I have to give to boy B. So how many parts I have? 5 equal parts?
5. Yeah.
Yes, 5 parts. Now 5 parts of 450 is how much? Each
90.
part will be how many kg? Divide.
450 divided 5 equal 90 kilogram each part.
Let me tell you how to solve this type of question. Please start writing. This is question number 2A. This is very, very important. Okay. So total parts, everyone please note it down. This is exercise 16B. B for the mom. Okay. So write it down. Total parts is equal to 3 plus 2, yani 5. Okay. Now, mass of each part will be how much? Mass of each part is going to be 450.
450 over 5.
Which is 90 kg.
90 kg over 1.
Now simply multiply this guy with both the ratios. Okay. Multiply 90 here
90
and multiply 90 here. Okay. So
the mister in our class, I think he solved the question, this question. He made like x to y equal 3 to 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 450 over 5 equal 90 kilogram. 90 kilogram multiply 3 and 90 kilogram multiply 2 equal 270 to 180. That's how he solved it.
if you want to solve that way, no problem. If you want to solve this way, no problem.
Yeah, but yours is easier.
You have to use a method that you are comfortable with. You can remember it for a long time. Okay.
Okay.
It's your convenience. So everyone, the question is solved. Did you get what I did? This is a little bit tricky. Okay, little bit long. You can ask me a question if you have.
Can you do another one of it, mister?
Let's do question number C. No, C is very, very easy. Let's do D part. There I have, no, I don't have this much money. This is too much. Okay. For example, a guy has $204 and he want to divide this amount into two guys in this ratio, 5 to 7.
Yes.
So how much will each guy get? Let's use my way, and you guys please solve it. Use this technique. Why no one is speaking now?
Mister, I was muted the whole time. Was talking.
MashaAllah. Please go muted again.
Mister, so easy, Mister.
Do the same steps, okay? Total parts and then amount. Instead of mass, put amount, okay? Or money. Money for each part, and then money for first man, money for second man. Like this.
I did that.
Okay, if you're done, okay. Just
How has he done that
wait.
fast, mashallah?
Who is confused still? In how did I solve this?
Mister, I think your screen is frozen.
No, because I'm not moving it.
Oh.
It's not frozen. It's not frozen.
So I'm still solving it.
I just got that. Right. 2 million later.
Now,
Wait,
5
Mister,
to
one more
7.
minute.
How many parts are there?
12.
5 parts here, 7 parts here. So total how many parts?
Mr. I
12
finished.
parts. Okay, very good.
$204 over 12
So what we
equal.
will do? What we will do? Total parts. This
Total
is question
parts.
number 2D.
Yeah.
We
Equal.
are going to write total parts equal
Total
how much?
parts equal 12. Equal 5
Equal
plus 7
5
equal
plus
12.
7 equal
5
5.
plus
Most
7, yani 12. Okay. Now, amount.
Mass of each
amount of each equal
Amount of each part
equal
will be
204
what?
over 12. 204 over 12.
204 over 12, which is
Over
going to
12.
give me what?
$17.
It will go give
Yeah.
me exact 17. Let me check.
Yeah, 17.
Yeah,
17, 17, Mister,
17
100%.
multiplied by 5.
17 is
Equal.
coming so many times today.
17
Yeah.
multiply 5 equal 85.
17
So
multiplied
17 is the
5.
value of each part. Now, first guy, I have to give how many parts?
$85.
Second guy, I have to give how many parts? 7. So
100.
just multiply by 5 and 7. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will just write first amount.
85 to 119.
To 119.
Yeah.
And second amount. So first amount is 5 times of the
85.
above answer.
Which means 85 to
85, 119.
17 multiply 17 multiply 7 equal
Yes.
119.
100?
19.
119.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
Yours
So this is the
Mister,
answer.
yours is
That's
way
all.
more easy.
And to check your answer, just add these two guys. What are you
Yeah,
getting?
add them and you will get to offer.
You get 204.
204.
So it's correct. It's correct. If you are not getting 204, you need to recheck your answer.
Mister, I think we can take like on Monday a lesson for the physics test.
Why? You have exam in
We
the
have-
coming week?
Yeah, on Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
I
You have
think 5
exam
lessons.
on Tuesday test. 5 lessons.
Yeah.
You can send me a photo or something because I want to see. And if it is very one lesson is 2 pages. Last time you told me, right?
Yeah.
2 sides
yeah.
of pages. 1
Yeah,
lesson.
10 pages.
So 5 lesson is 10 pages.
Yes.
I think we can cover in 2 hours. It's good, inshallah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, For example, this question 4D. How do we do it?
4D,
Same technique.
1.8 meter. Like we will
Now
add both all of
what
them.
will be the first sentence? I'm giving you. No, I'm not giving you 1 minute time. Just dictate.
Total parts. Total parts.
Total
Total
parts
parts,
equal
very
9.
good.
Total parts
Total
equal 1
12.
plus
equal
7 plus 1
12.
equal 9.
12.
How 12?
Sure,
How
sure.
12?
9
How
يا
12?
محمد.
Which
5
question are
plus
you
7.
doing? Which question are you doing?
I thought it is A.
No. D part. Okay.
Oh,
1
okay.
plus 7 plus 1, which is what?
9.
9.
Ibrahim, are you getting this point?
Ibrahim. Oh no.
Ibrahim, his internet is so bad.
No, he said his internet is okay.
Mr. Even in the class, like his internet is bad. He
Oh my
replied
God.
so late on the teacher.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Can you
What?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but the issue is you cannot hear me properly.
No, yeah, you know what the problem is? So like each time I switch to an internet, that internet is like gone. So like it cuts out each time I switch to an internet. So I have to automatically like switch an internet like every 2 seconds. So
Then how are you listening to my class? Yani, I don't know if you can listen to my class properly uninterrupted.
there's a couple interruptions, but it happens like every 30 seconds or so. So
Then how can you like properly study? Maybe you need to recheck your internet or like use mobile hotspot or something like that from the next time, so you don't get like these interruptions.
yeah.
From next time, maybe you can try better. So total parts is 9. Now this 9 has to be divided into
1.8.
value of each part will be how
Yeah.
much?
1.8 meter.
1.8 meter. Now to make this simpler, we can convert it.
Yeah.
Decimal free. 1.8 meter is what? How much?
180 centimeter.
Yes. Okay.
180 centimeter over 9 equal 20 centimeter each part.
180 over 9
Equal
Students,
20
are you getting
centimeter.
what are you doing here?
Yes.
Please, if you have confusion, ask it instantly. 4D. Okay. So each part is 20. Now what you will do? Multiply 20 here.
Multiply by
20 here.
1, multiply by 7.
Multiply 20 here. Okay. So they have used the letters ABC, guys. Okay. A for Adnan, B for Amir, B for Badr, C for whom?
C for
Any footballer?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Adam.
Why did I ask this question? So A's share will be how much?
A
A's
will
share
be
and B's share and C's share.
What is share, mister?
Share. The
مشاركة.
portion.
What?
Like
Okay.
تقسيط يعني قسط.
Like you are
I don't know
sharing
if it
180
is. I
centimeter.
don't know if it is a proper Arabic word. قسط. Okay.
What?
A's share is what? 1, 7, and 1. You are
1,
going to
7,
multiply all by the answer you got.
by 20. Yeah, 20,
Okay.
140, and 20.
20 here, 20 here, and 20 here. So ultimately, you are getting what?
20, 140, 20. Add them, you will get
20
180.
centimeter, 140 here, and 20 here. And to check your answer, just add all of them. What are you getting?
180.
180. Yes. So our answer is correct.
What?
Oh, look at
what?
this! Look at this horrible! Oh, look at this horrible thing.
Wait, how is it 180 if you want to check how? What do you mean
20
by that?
plus 140 plus 20
okay.
equal 180. 180 centimeter
Okay, because
is
of
the total
180 over 9.
parts. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
How do we do this?
Once divide by 21, mister. No, can't work.
What 21? How many total parts will be there?
117 plus 62 plus 21 will be 83 plus 117. It will be 200.
Oh,
so
it became so easy.
Yeah, 100 kilogram over 200 equal 500 kilogram for each part. You will get 200.
500. Really?
Yeah.
500
Yes.
or 5?
No. Wait. 1000 over 200.
1000 over 200 is what? 5.
5 over
Multiply
1.
this by
Yeah.
5.
Yes.
Multiply this guy by 5. Multiply this guy by 5. And we are done.
This is
100.
easy, but so much steps.
Yeah.
So much step. But also take care in these type of shares, you have to mention the units. Okay? Because you are not simplifying anything here. You are finding the share. So that's why I'm not missing out any unit. Look on this page. Here,
Yeah.
I'm not missing out any unit. Kilogram I put, dollar I put, and centimeter I put. Okay.
Centimeter.
Yes.
Mr. Now Bayern Munich is playing the Clasico. They are winning 4-1 against Dortmund. It's the 92nd
You are
Yeah.
minute.
watching football now?
No, but I'm seeing the stats.
No, but
You
okay.
see, Mr. I prepared the session against the match.
So this question is also very similar. Not
Yeah.
a big deal. Same procedure. Just add all the parts,
30.
divide by the big guy, and then multiply each ratio by that same factor.
Yes.
Same. And in this question, how many times I have to do? No, not needed.
Mr. Let's do C, 6C.
Let's do the last exercise. Okay, wait. The same thing now they are writing in English and in big sentences. Find two numbers which are in the ratio 7:4 and have the sum 165. Same thing.
7
165
plus 4.
has to be splitted into 7 and 4 ratios.
Yes.
How do we do this?
7 plus 4 equal 11.
What are total
165 over
parts?
11.
What are total parts?
11.
11. Okay. And then
165 over 11.
165 over 11 is how much? Aina alam hasibat.
15, Mr. 15.
15. Okay. Then what will we
15,
do
right,
with
Mr.
15?
15 multiply 7 multiply 4. It will be 60, and then 4 equals 60, but 7 equal
105.
yes,
So it
100.
will be 105 and
105 and 60.
this is the answer. And if you add them, what do you get?
165.
So let's move on to the last exercise, the grand final,
Grand
which is
final.
actually very grand.
Yeah.
Mister, is it granted by being hard or easy?
For 2.
No, it's not grand actually. I should not use that word. It's just the last exercise. This is dealing with proportion. This exercise only is dealing with proportion, and the first 4 exercises were dealing with ratio. Okay. Only one exercise is dealing with proportion. And what is proportion? You are using one ratio to find another ratio. Okay. So these all were proportion. No, these all were ratios from here to here. These all are ratios. Okay. Now let's deal with proportion and then we are done for today. Is everyone awake or someone is sleeping?
I'm awake.
I'm sleeping.
Me too.
MashaAllah. Keep on sleeping with open eyes. Yes. Okay. So if 15 tickets cost $36, what will be the cost of 7 tickets? Okay. How do we get these type of questions? I will tell you. They are so simple. How so simple? I'll give you one example and then you will say it is very, very easy.
Mister, in this questions, like the decimal one, it's hard for me. Like, it's confused me.
Mr. The
No,
first question of
decimal
this.
in this exercise or decimal in previous exercises?
In this exercise.
Okay, I'll deal with them. Okay. So in this question, we have two types of measures. We have tickets and we have
Dollars.
dollars. And then we have tickets, and then dollars is like question mark for us. Okay. So what will you do? You will make a ratio of ticket to dollar. Okay. How? It's like 15 tickets are costing me $36.
36.
So 7 tickets will cost me how much dollar? Okay. Now you will wonder what is this? This is as. This is as. Okay. So if you have 2 to 3 ratio, can you tell me a ratio which is very big, but actually it has the same value, which is equivalent? Can you give me another equivalent ratio for this?
400 to 600.
Okay, very good. 400 to 600 is the same as 2 to 3. So if something is same as or proportional, what I can do? I can write it in this way in mathematics. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
So
yes.
basically this acts as what? This acts as equal sign between two ratios. Okay. This is like equal sign.
I like.
Are you guys understanding? How
Yes.
do we read this line? We read as 2 to 3
As
is as 400 to 600. Simply, you read this guy like this. I will write it down so you guys can remember how do we read this line. We read it as 200 to, oh, sorry, not 200, 2 to 3 is as 400 to 600. This is how we read.
Mr. Now we have three things: colon, semicolon, and double colon.
Don't call it double colon, okay? Okay. So now the issue is, how do we get this missing letter? Okay, who can tell me why did I write 7 here and why not here? What is the reason? Why did I write 7 on the left side? Why not on the right side?
Because, Mr., in the first ratio, you wrote like the ticket on the left, and it have to be the same on the right, on the second ratio.
Yes, this is the reason. Why? Because I wrote ticket here and then I wrote its amount in dollar. So the same pattern I have to follow. Ticket has to be here and dollar has to be here. Because dollar is missing, that's why I put a question mark. Now, so far you have understood how to form the equation or form the ratio and proportion. Now, how we will solve it? Convert it to fraction. Now, 15 over 36 and is as will become equal, and 7 will become 7, and this 1 upon x or a or m, whatever you like. Clear?
Or D dollars.
And now what you will do? Cross multiply.
Yes, the Mr. said for us it's like a scissors, Mr.
Yes, it's like this. You multiply this with the opposite number. One numerator multiplied by the opposite denominator and another denominator multiplied by opposite numerator.
Yes.
So 15 multiplied by x
and 36 multiplied by 7.
36 multiplied by 7. And now we want x. We want to throw 15 to the other side. So 15 will come as positive or negative or multiplication or division. Who can tell me?
Negative, Mr.
No. What is the relation with x?
Oh, division.
Okay. So finally you are going to get 36 times
x
7
equal
of 15.
36.
Can we simplify?
No.
No. How no? Think here.
Oh, by 3, Mr. It will be 12 multiply 7 over 5.
Speaking? Did
I don't
everyone go sleep?
Maybe. It will be 12 multiplied by 7 over 3. No, over 5. Yeah. And here it's 12.
12 multiplied by 7 is 84.
Yeah,
Divided by
84.
5, the answer will be in decimal. Tell me.
Uh, I don't know.
It will be 16.8.
Yeah, 16.8. Yes.
And what will be the unit?
Ye-
Kilogram?
no, I forgot what was it. Dollars, Mister.
Dollars.
Dollars.
Yes.
Mister, I'm about to saying tickets.
You are about to?
Say tickets.
You are about to say tickets. Note down this, and then I will give you another question. It will be very easy because the first time it is like not easy. Proportion is not easy first time.
Yeah.
But once you get used to solving these questions, it will be easier for you, inshallah. Okay?
Mister, do
But
you
note
know
it down. Quickly note it down.
this question? Adam in the class answered it on the board.
Correctly?
Yes,
Good.
because the Mister first he like explain all the examples for the lesson, then let us answer.
Good. Quickly note it down, and then I'm going to give you another questions that will involve decimal also. So it will be like a good practice.
Mister, when will we end this class?
Almost like 10 or 15 minutes, inshallah, more. 15 minutes more,
Okay.
inshallah. Okay.
Okay,
15 more
inshallah.
minutes. Note it down, everyone. Are you writing or you are just taking screenshot and then sleeping?
Mister,
If you
is
will
this
take
the main?
screenshot, you will never open it. Remember my words. Or you will open after like grade 9. You will open
Yeah.
it. I have screenshot of Mr. Faz for 2023. Yay. Let's delete it because it's not required. Only that. Yes. So please note it down with your own handwriting, with
Mister,
your own hand.
Mister, I noted it in my mind, Mister.
it will be
MashaAllah.
the formatted data, Mister, after the format of the
10,
computer.
10 terabytes of internal memory
Yeah.
and 200 GB of RAM. MashaAllah, Muhammad Ali. From where did you get your hardware? From Allah? Very fast. Okay, now let's solve this C part.
3 chocolate bars. Okay, easy.
So what are the two units? Tell me. Like in the
Uh,
previous one measure was ticket and one measure was amount.
yeah,
So in this
here
question, what are the two measures? Tell me.
chocolate bars and dollars.
Okay, so bars and amount.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me,
It
what
will
will be
be
the proportion line? Tell me this proportion line, not Muhammad Amir this time. Someone else who will tell me this proportion line for this question. And the variable that you have to use is X. Adnan, can you tell me this proportion line? Adnan is gone. Brother, gone. Who else is remaining? Adam? Adam asked the question itself for decimal. Why? How should he answer? Who else? Muhammad Ali? He's noting in the head. Now ultimately we are left with Amir. Yalla.
yes. Mister, bars
Whole class is sleeping. Only you are awake and me.
bars to
Quickly.
dollars will be like the bars will be 3 and the dollars will be like 3 to 1.59 to 8 to question mark. It will be 3 over
Wait,
1
wait,
point.
wait, wait, wait.
Okay.
Wait for me to write. I cannot write in mind like few students. So please go slow. Yes. Tell
Mr.
me
He is
again.
speed running.
Mister,
Speed running,
it will be
yes.
3
TAS. Tool assisted speed run.
3 over 1.59 equal 8 over x. We will make a
Tell
cross
me.
multiplication.
Please,
3.
0.5x speed, please, with me.
Okay.
0.5x speed.
3.
Again.
Okay. The fractions will
3
be
to
3.
3 to. No, tell me the proportion line first.
Okay. 3 to 1.59 is
The
as
answer?
to 8 to
Is
question mark.
as
Is as to question 8 to question mark.
8 bars. Yes. So 8 bars to X.
Question
Adnan, you were
X.
saying something? Did he wake up just now, Adnan?
Yeah, he
I
want
heard
to
his voice.
What?
Are you there?
Yes.
I'm asking, you are not replying. I asked you this question. Again, went back to sleep. Yes, continue, Amir.
it will be, Mr. The fraction will be 3 over
Hmm.
1.59 equal 8
Huh?
over x. We will make a cross multiplication. It will be 3 multiply x and 1.59 multiply 8. 1.59 multiplied by 8, it will be 12.72. And 12.72
Yes.
over 3. Then it will be
He's saying was.
It will be 4.4.
4.24. Yeah, 4.24.
So 3 will go down.
Yeah, 3 will
8
be
into
will 8 multiplied 1.59 will be 12.72.
So what will be the final answer? And what
Four
will be the
point
unit for that answer?
4.24.
$4.24.
Mister,
Hmm.
the mister on the class makes 3 divide 8 multiply 1.59.
No way. You are
Like
making
here.
a mistake.
Where is x equal 8 multiply 1.59 divide 3? He make
What did
this,
he write? What did he write?
but without x. He write it directly. 8 multiply 1.59
Okay.
divide 3.
Not a problem. If you don't want to use the letter X, I will suggest you to use the letter X or letter A. Okay. Or if you don't want to use letter, you can use question mark.
Yes.
Okay. It will not make a big deal, Yani. Anyways, let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump where?
To the new question.
Okay, let's do these 3 ratio ones. These ones. Question number 5A.
In a kitchen drawer, the ratio of spoons to knife.
In a kitchen drawer, the ratio of spoon to knife to fork. Okay, let me write it. Spoon,
7 spoons, 3 knives, and
Spoon.
5 forks.
Yeah, and 5
knives,
forks.
and forks. Okay, not forks, forks. Okay. So what is the ratio we have in our kitchen? 7
7 to 3
to
to 5.
3 to 5. Okay. How many knives are there? If there are 21 spoon, wow. And spoon they have told us 21. Now they are asking what will come here and what will come here. Very,
Multiply
very
by
simple
3.
and logical. And logical. Who
Multiplied
can
by
think
3.
of the
So
logical?
21, 9, and 15.
Wow, good. Good.
Yeah,
Okay. They are
21
asking
divided
this
7
and
equals
this.
3.
Now, how can 7 become 21? Multiply by what?
Times
Multiply
it
by
by
3.
By 3. So if it is multiplied by 3, we have to multiply everything by 3.
Yeah,
Why? To keep
9 and
balance.
15.
the balance.
Yeah. It will be 21, 9, and 15.
21, 9, and 15. So how many forks will be there?
If there are 21 knives.
So what was the question? How many knives are there? So tell me, how many knives are there?
9.
9. 9 is the answer.
Yes.
Next part, this was A part.
How many
Let's do the
forks are
next
there?
part. How many forks are there if there are 21 knives?
Uh,
21 knives. Means what? 21 knives are there, but this side you don't know, and this side you don't know. What are we
multiply by
going to
7,
do?
mister. Multiply by 7.
Yes, correct. Look at the original and look at this.
Yes.
How can we get 3 and 21?
3 and 21 but multiplying by 7.
Is it clear to other students, or it's like two guys only, me and Amir? and you're
So
finding
it's clear.
sometimes. Okay. So what will come here?
Here 42.
It will be multiplied by 7 one more time. What 42?
Yeah.
What 42?
7 multiplied by 7, Mister. Oh, 49,
Mashallah.
49, 49, 49. Yeah.
Fortnight? Lavish
49.
fortnight. 5 times 7, 35.
35.
Yeah.
So what is the answer? How many forks are there?
What? 35, 35.
Where is the fork? Here, 35.
Here.
Okay. So the answer here is 30.
35.
35.
Okay. How many spoon are there if there are 32 knives
Yes.
and
What?
forks?
Oh, wow.
Oh, 32 knives and forks. Yani collectively, yani you have 32 here collectively, total.
Decimal. It have to be decimal. Like multiply by
How it
decimal.
has to be decimal? No, they have combined knives and forks. That means we have to combine this also.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so 7, 3, 5 will become what? 7 and 8. Are you
Yes.
getting the difference?
No. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Because 7 is
Lalit, did
alone.
you get
Now,
what just happened? These
yeah.
3 ratios got converted to 2 ratios. How? They are
3 plus
saying
5.
how many spoons are there if there are collectively 32 knives and forks together. Yani they did not tell this time how many knives are there particularly and how many forks are there particularly. They are just telling the total quantity this time. Yani if we have to combine last 2 items. So 5 and 3 is what? 8. I put 8 here. So how can 8 become 32?
8, 8 multiplied by 4.
Multiply by 4. So I'll do the same stuff here.
Yeah,
What will I
it will
get?
be 28 to 32.
28 only because they are asking spoon. So the answer here will be 28.
28.
Muhammad Ali, is it clear?
Yes, Mister.
We have almost 4 minutes remaining. Let's do one more question. Let's do question number 8 because it looks very long and like hard. A road 3 points are 3.2 centimeter long. On a map. What? I said, what is happening here? 3.2 centimeter road. Even my
Yeah,
finger is larger
it's
than
too much
3.2
of a
centimeter.
big range or so.
Yes,
Sir.
a road 3.2 centimeter long on a map is
Yes.
8 kilometer long in real life. Okay. So a river is 4.1 centimeter long on the same map. How long is the river in real life? Wow, this question is good. This question is really like
Mister,
good
make a
question.
ratio Lego to
Now
real
what
life.
will be what are the 2 units that I'm going to deal with? What is the first measure?
Centimeter.
Okay, and what is the second
Kilometer,
unit?
centimeter,
Real life.
kilo.
And real life. Okay, so let's call it map. Let's call it map issue and let's call it real life issue.
And real life.
No, Mister.
Oh, Adam
Lego,
is there.
Lego and real life.
Lego and real life. Then keep it then Minecraft and then real life. Okay. Now, what will be the ratio? Tell me. What will be the proportion line? What will be the proportion line here? Not Amir. Not Amir this time. What will be the proportion line? Tell me. Not Amir. Someone else.
Yusuf didn't talk for a long time.
Adam,
He's
tell
asleep.
me.
Yes, Mr. What?
Tell me. What will I write here? Yani something is to something is as
Yeah, okay,
something
okay.
is to something. What will I write here? Tell me.
3.2.
Where is Yusuf?
I'm
He left. He
No,
left.
he's there, Mister.
No, Mister, I'm here.
How did you just arrive? There were only 6 guys, and when I asked, there it became 7. How did you arrive out of nowhere? Yes, what will be the line, Adam? Tell me, what will be the proportional line?
3.2
3.2
to 8.
to 8. Is as.
Then is
As. The
as.
name is as. Okay.
Yeah.
Where will
4.1
4.1 come? On the left side or on the right side? Where will 4.1 come? Think.
left,
Why left?
because it's same like the first one. Centimeter.
Because it is centimeter. Exactly. Yes, correct. Your reason is correct. So 4:1, and then is 2. Then what?
2 question mark x.
Or x. Let's keep it a, because Adam is trying this one. Then what we will do in the
Okay.
next line? Convert to fraction. Okay. So 3.2 to 8 will become what?
3.2 over 8
Okay. And is as will become what?
equal
Equal. And the same thing.
4.1 over a.
Now we will do cross multiplication. Okay. What will happen after cross multiplying?
3.2 multiply a
Yes. Will give me 8
equal
multiplied by
8
4.1.
multiply 4.1.
Now we want a, we don't want 3.2. So 3.2 has to be thrown on the other side.
We'll divide.
How we will throw?
Divide.
So finally what you will have, a is equal to 8 multiplied by 4.1 over 3.2. Okay. Can
32.
we remove the decimal? Can we remove the
Yeah,
decimal on this
multiply by 10.
So if we multiply by 10 here, to keep the balance, we have to do the same down.
Yes.
And the good way is, the good thing is, the 3.2 decimal will be removed. So what you have 8 multiplied by 41 over 32. Now,
3.
can we do simplification? Yes, we can do a very simple simplification.
8 and 32.
Yes. Yes.
By
1,
4
1 multiply 41 over 4.
equal 4, and this one is 8.
So 41 over 4 in decimal, tell me. Do the long division and tell me 41 over 4 will give me how much?
11.1. No, 10.1.
No.
4.1.
No,
Tell me here. Don't keep guessing. Tell me here. What will I write on top?
here 10.
0.
10.
Okay, you can do with 10
Yeah,
also.
40
10.
will be 1. Then multiply by, then add 0. It will be 10 multiplied by 2. No, add decimal, then multiply by 2.
8.
Add decimal multiply by 2 equal be 8.
8, 2,
2
0,
multiply by 5 and add 0. It will be,
and 0.
yeah,
0,
10,
and 5.
10 and quarter.
10.25.
10 and quarter. Oh,
And
mister.
what will be the unit? What will be the unit of this guy? Kilometer or centimeter?
Kilometer.
Kilometer.
Kilometer. So this river
Because it's
is
real life.
10.25 kilometer long in real life.
Mister, it was easier without the without the long division. You know why? Like only with the quarter of 1 and the quarter of 40, 10 a quarter.
Yes. So you want to finish today or you want to do more
No, we
5
can finish
questions?
this.
Okay. So
Okay.
that was it for today. And see you in the next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Badr is excited. He's putting emojis. Bye bye.